Hello friends, welcome to my channel, myself Parag Jambulkar. In last video, we have seen 7 steps to write any JDBC code. There, we have seen statement object. Here, in this video, we will discuss how to use prepare statement, what is its use, and how to use it in program. So, when we have seen 7 steps to write any JDBC code, there we have to declare statement object and any SQL query is fired using statement object. For example, for selecting data from the database, we have to use statement object and we need to call execute query method. Or if you want to insert any data into the database or any row into the database, at that time again we have to write the SQL query. We have to use statement object and we need to call execute update method. So basically, statement object is used to fire any SQL query or to execute any SQL query. Statement is an interface and its implementation is provided by this. This is the connection object and here we are calling create statement method. When we write any program, JDBC program, for example, see, this is the program to insert data row into the database. Look at this. This is the JDBC code to insert data into the MySQL database. Here we use statement object and by using statement object we have called execute update method and here we have mentioned SQL query to insert data or this row into the database. Suppose we want to insert another row, so again we have to repeat this statement. Same statement will repeat, only data will get changed. Again, if you want to insert third row into the database, so again we need to write this statement. Again, same statement will write, same query will mention insert into table name values, and only the data will get changed. Likewise, we have to write multiple statements. Here, if you observe, only data is getting changed as we are adding new row into the database each time, while everything is same. Everything is same, just data is getting changed. As we want to insert different rows, different data or different records into the database. Unnecessarily, we are compiling this query, SQL query multiple times. So to avoid that, we use prepare statement. So just like statement, prepare statement is also an interface. If we search on Google and if we check on Oracle Docs, that is the official website of Java language. So here we can see prepare statement is an interface and here you will come to know prepare statement is child interface of statement interface. That means statement interface is a super interface of prepare statement, or in other words, statement interface is extended in prepare statement. So in this video we will see how to use prepare statement. Look at this. So prepare statement is an interface. We need to create this object and its implementation is provided by this. Con, this is a connection object and by using this we are calling prepare statement method. Just like here, to create statement object we call create statement method. In the same way, here for creating object of prepare statement we need to call prepare statement method by using connection object. And here we are firing SQL query for inserting data into the database. Here instead of data we are writing question mark. Now to add data for this question mark we need to call setIn or setString method. Again these methods are called by using this prepare statement object. So see, here 4 questions mark are there. This means we need to add 4 values, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the first value that we are adding. First index stands for this first value. So as it is an integer, we have called set int method, and there we have mentioned this value. Second stands for this second position. Here we are adding string data. So for that we have called set string. This is the third position. Here we have mentioned string data, and we have called set string method. In the same way we have called, here we have put 4 for fourth position, and there we have mentioned this string. So this becomes one row. So this one row for this. Then we'll execute this query. Then when we want to add another row, so again we'll set the values for that, and again we'll execute this query. So in this way, instead of compiling this query multiple times, only we are changing the data. So we are setting the data, and we'll call execute update method. Again we'll set the data, and we'll call execute update method. So instead of compiling this query again and again, to insert multiple rows into the table, we are using prepare statement. So instead of using statement interface, here we are using prepare statement. I will provide this link of this blog post in description box. So from there you can take this code. Now we will run this. So same program I have mentioned here, and we will run this program. So we will compile it. Now we will run this program. So look at this. We have added these two rows as we have mentioned in this program. Here we are adding first row, and we are adding one more. So these two rows added here. Here we can see. So in this way, prepare statement is used in Java language in JDBC program. I will provide link of this blog post in description box. From there you can take this code, and you can check it out, run it. So friends, I hope you like this video. If yes, then click on like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press bell icon so that you will get notification of my next video. So stay connected. Thank you.